Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a really gorgeous mulberry, and this is a mulberry Darley in this croc embossed leather, and it is really beautiful. So we've got on this mulberry adjustable chain straps, you can see, and we've got that leather shoulder strap as well, so you can have that as a long strap or as that double shorter strap as well. On the back we've got one nice big exterior flat pocket that goes across that whole back there, and that has got a magnetic closure as well. And then we have flap closure with that iconic mulberry postman's lock. Open that up and show you underneath. So just under there we've got another nice big flat pocket, and then inside another flat pocket there, and just one main compartment. And the interior of this is really soft microfiber, so it's really nice, feels really nice inside. I really like the hardware on this mulberry. You can see that it's kind of dark black, dark silver, but the way it catches the light is kind of almost holographic. It's really cool, that hardware, I really like it. The condition of this bag, overall, we've called it all excellent. It is just in perfect condition. I'll show you all around. That croc embossed leather still looks really beautiful. Those corners are in perfect condition. The hardware, again, all in really nice, shiny, beautiful condition. And the inside, that soft microfiber lining, just looks perfect in there. So yeah, it is in very nice condition, this mulberry. It is beautiful. If you love this bag just as much as we do, don't forget to like this video, and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what this mulberry comes with. So there's a couple of little bits that comes with. We've got mulberry dust bag, and then we've got a little mulberry envelope, and in there we've got care booklet, so you can know, shows you how to look after that beautiful croc embossed leather. And then we've got a little product tag, mulberry product tag as well. So for the exact measurements on this bag, go to the link in the description below, and it should hopefully take you directly to this mulberry. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our donate product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we know a lot of you really love mulberry, so we do have a request list which you can get on. Just get in contact with us through the contact us form on our website, or you can send us over an email. Let us know that you love this, or whatever it might be, let us know that you love it. It can be Louis Vuitton, it can be Prada, it can be Gucci, whatever it is, let us know, and we'll get you on that request list so that you can get through an alert as soon as we get in a new one that you like into the shop, and then hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So get onto that request list if you would like a bag like this one, and this has sold. As I said, exact measurements for this bag will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those adjustable shoulder straps, that's where it sits on there on me, and this leather is really kind of soft and comfortable, so wearing it under your shoulder like that feels really nice, especially with those leather shoulder straps as well. Or if you want to have it on the long strap, again you can have that as a shoulder, or you can have that as a crossbody as well. And I think the shape of this is really kind of, it's quite basic, but I like that because it is just so practical. You can fit all your everyday bits into it, and because it's so comfortable to wear, you can wear it on the go all day wherever you are. So yeah, it is very nice. For more details on this bag, and also for the link to shop, again go to the link in the description below. On our website you'll find loads of beautiful bags, purses and wallets, so have a browse through there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there as well, because if you sign up to our newsletter we will send you through your welcome discount code through to your email, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page, so if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. Get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.